The source monitor. The source monitor is found here in the upper left side here. And its job is to edit video and audio clips and even images. And so you can view those things. So here I can just double click on an image and I can come up here and I can hit the space bar. I hit the space bar again and it'll stop the video from playing. So I can view this whole clip over here. I can switch to another clip, double click on it, and so I can just jump around viewing different clips type thing. I can even look at images, and I can come in here and double click on the image and see which images there are. And so I also have up here a drop down. In this drop down, it is default goes the fit, but I can select a zoom level by coming in here and say, oh, I want to see it at 50%, or I want to see it at 100%. And so remember, your resolution is a little different, so that's why we fit it here. So you can see things at certain particular sizes. So the idea of our source monitor is to view the individual items, either the clips or the images, not in its finished edit form. Okay, this is just the source, all of our individual media that we brought in. So this is the source panel, and it also places in some markers I can mark in and out. So I have some tools up here we'll learn about later. But remember, to play any video, I just hit the space bar and I stop. Of course, I was on an image, so that isn't going to work. So I can just double click on it and I can hit the space bar to play it. Or I can hit the space bar to stop it. So this is the source menu. Use just the view and edit all our source media.